In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change company name in Adobe Sign. There are two straightforward ways to do this, and which one you use depends on whether you're updating your personal profile or changing the name for your entire organization. I'll walk you through both so you can pick the option that fits your situation. First, the quickest method updates the company name shown on your personal profile. Open your browser and go to documentcloud.adobe.com. Then sign in to your Adobe Sign account. In the top right corner, click your profile icon to open the menu and choose Manage Account. On the page that opens, select Edit Profile. In the Account section under Public Profile, look for the company name field. Click Change, type in the company name exactly as you want it to appear, and click Save. To make sure the update shows everywhere, log out and then log back in. This refresh step helps the new name display consistently across your profile and recent activity. As a tip, double-check spelling, spacing, and capitalization before saving so your brand appears clean and consistent. If you're an account admin and need to update the name for the whole organization, start by logging in to Adobe Sign. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and choose Settings from the drop-down. In the e-signing settings area, click Edit Settings. From there, go to Account Setup or Brand Settings, depending on your layout. Find the Company Name field, enter the new company name, and click Save. This applies the company name across the account and, if selected, can update all users to reflect the new name. If you don't see these options, you likely don't have admin permissions, so you may need an administrator to make the change on your behalf. After saving, it's a good idea for users to sign out and sign back in, so the update is picked up across dashboards and outgoing communications. To recap, use the profile method when you're only changing the name tied to your personal user profile. Use the admin settings when the organization's official name needs to be updated across all users. Interface labels can vary slightly as Adobe updates the platform, but the path remains the same. Access your profile or settings, locate the company name field, update it, and save. Take a moment to confirm the new name is spelled correctly and matches your brand style. And remember, a quick log out and back in helps the change appear right away.